Hello guys, this is me again. I have received the order from Shopee still, but actually this is a wall clock. I wanna show you that. What is it for? Very different wall clock actually. Just only to, if you place mo lang siya sa wall or kahit sa amin ilalagay pwede. But I'll show you kung paano mag-set up nito. I'm gonna set up later on. Papakita ko muna yung mga parts niya. Kung ano yung gagawin natin after this. But anyway, this one, buksan na natin. Ayan. Ay nako, kung hindi ka matalino sa clock, nako magkakamali ka dito. There's siya, unique. Separate siya, ididikit-dikit mo na lang siya sa wall. There. Everything is here. Numbers, letters. This is the combinations of letters and numbers. There. So now, we are going to set up on the wall like this. I'll show you. As you can see at the back, as you can see guys, ganyan na mangyayari. Si-set up ko siya. Nag-order ulit ako kasi for my sister. Kasi, wala lang, gusto ko lang magbigay din ng, gusto ko kung meron ako, mayroon din ng iba. So that's it. That's my attitude. I like my idiosyncrasy. Charot. But anyway, let's start to set up our clock. Come on, samahan nyo kami.